In this video, we are going to talk about stocks to buy now 2022 financial crisis. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. In January, prices rose once more, pushing investors to rethink how their portfolios will fare in the face of once-in-a-generation inflation. According to the most recent Consumer Price Index reading, prices in the United States grew 7.5% year-over-year last month, exceeding the consensus prediction of 7.3% by economists polled by Bloomberg. This is the biggest rate of price growth since 1982, and it's up from 7% in December. While experts predict that inflation will moderate in the following months as supply chain bottlenecks are alleviated, price spikes can still have a big impact on the stock market. Here's a list of the stocks to buy now 2022 financial crisis. Let's start. Alcoa Corporation, AA. Alcoa Corporation, NYSE. AA is an industrial firm based in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania that manufactures alumina, aluminium, and bauxite. The firm's products are used in a variety of industries, including technology, mining, refining, smelting, fabricating, and recycling. Supply chains will tighten around the world as the West imposes sanctions on Russia, a major global supplier of aluminium. Aluminum production weakened as a result of Europe's energy crisis, and output fell dramatically. As a result, Alcoa Corporation, NYSE, AA, will see a large increase in demand. Lockheed Martin Corporation, LMT, Aeronautics, Missiles and Fire Control, Rotary and Mission Systems, and Space are the four primary areas of Lockheed Martin Corporation, LMT, an American defense and aerospace firm. The stock has risen 26.70% year-to-date, owing to institutional interest in military industries in the wake of Russia's invasion of Ukraine and the resulting geopolitical concerns. Despite the recession, the U.S. Department of Defense continues to finance defense companies such as Lockheed Martin Corporation, LMT, ensuring that their income remains consistent even while the rest of the market suffers from lower consumer expenditure. Dollar Tree, Inc. DLTR. Dollar Tree, Inc. NASDAQ. DLTR is a budget variety store chain based in Chesapeake, Virginia, that operates in the United States and Canada. Dollar Tree, Inc. NASDAQ. DLTR is well positioned to benefit from a potential recession, as more customers will switch from branded brands to lower-cost alternatives. The stock has risen about 70% in the last 6 months, and the company reported results that were higher than expected in the fourth quarter of 2021. The Mosaic Company, MOS. The Mosaic firm, MOS, is an agricultural and fertilizer company established in Florida that mines and extracts potash, urea, and phosphate. Fertilizer costs are steadily growing as a result of Russia's sanctions, which have left the global economy with a significant supply deficit in terms of inexpensive fertilizers, raising fears that global food inflation would accelerate if nutritional crops become more expensive. Despite increased unemployment, the Mosaic Company, MOS, will likely perform well during a recession because fertilizers will remain in demand. Target Corporation, TGT. Target Corporation, TGT, is a major American retailer that operates as a big box department store chain across the country. Target Corporation, TGT, offers budget stores and hypermarkets as retail formats. The company posted profits per share of $3.19 for the December quarter on March 1, 35 cents higher than market expectations. Target Corporation, TGT, with its massive balance sheet and 50 consecutive years of dividend increases, is well positioned to weather economic downturns. O'Reilly Automotive, Inc. O'Reilly is a Missouri-based company that designs car components, automotive supplies, and equipment for industrial applications, B2B sales, and do-it-yourself customers. The stock rose after investors reacted favorably to O'Reilly Automotive, Inc. O'Reilly Strong, fourth quarter profits and 2022 expectations. Because of continuous sales and high profitability, O'Reilly Automotive, Inc. O'Reilly is one of the stocks to purchase before the next recession. McDonald's Corporation, MCD. McDonald's Giant, MCD, a well-known American global fast food corporation, is one of the best stocks to buy before the recession. In addition to more customers preferring McDonald's Corporation, MCD affordable food during a recession, the corporation has a fortress balance sheet that will provide it with a solid cushion to withstand the downturn. This is evidenced by the company's 45-year streak of increasing dividend distributions. Abbott Laboratories, APT. Abbott Laboratories, APT, is a multinational corporation based in the United States that produces and sells medical devices, diagnostics, branded generic pharmaceuticals, and nutritional supplements. Because demand for medical gadgets by hospitals and patients is relatively inelastic, Abbott Laboratories, APT, is likely to weather the projected recession. Similarly, drugs cannot be completely avoided, even though patients may opt for low-cost biosimilars. Overall, Abbott Laboratories, APT, is well positioned for continuous earnings, as evidenced by its 50-year streak of consecutive dividend increases. Berkshire Hathaway Inc. BRKB. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway Inc. BRKB is an American multinational conglomerate chaired by him. Berkshire Hathaway Inc. BRKB engages in a variety of business areas, including diversified investments, property and liability insurance, real estate, consumer products, and aerospace. On March 15, Ritholtz CEO Josh Brown stated that Berkshire Hathaway Inc. BRKB is a long-term investment since the business is an absolute tank, outperforming 28 of the 30 Dow Jones average industrial components. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.